Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. It is currently Tuesday, which is weird for me to be vlogging on Tuesday, I understand that. But, today might be a special day. One of the bros might be getting a new truck today. And no, it's not Hunter. Hunter's got enough vehicles, trust me on that. But yeah, that beeping sound you hear is my car lock app letting me know my engine just started. So, it is legit. It sits right here in Mobility 2 port. So if you want one of these, link will be down in the description. Make sure you go over there and order yourself one. It's freaking fantastic. There's some AC in here. So what do you gotta do? You just gotta go in your app, unlock it, zooms in, boom, unlocks the truck, and you are good to go. That's what's going on right now. I gotta head to my grandma's first and mow her yard real quick. Then we're picking up my girlfriend. And then we'll be heading over to see, hopefully, Colin be getting a new truck. Currently Wednesday. I didn't film Colin getting his new truck yesterday because of the fact we weren't sure 100% if he was getting it. But he did get it, so later on in this video you will see his new truck. But right now, I'm gonna go get my oil change. A lot of you asked what oil I run in my truck. I run AMSOIL 100% synthetic OE motor oil, advanced engine protection, 5W30, because the truck takes 5W30. Great oil, freaking love it. Same price as the other stuff, but a whole lot better. So that's what I run in the truck. So to get the oil change done, just like that, we are done with the oil change. Like I said, guys, in my video, I get it done at GT Discount Tire Pros. They're like a local homegrown shop in my hometown. If you're in the Norris, Clinton, North Knoxville area or anything like that, you need wheels and tires, balance, wheels and tires and stuff like that. They also do all my suspension work and lift kits and all that stuff and alignments when it comes to my truck. Hit them up, guys. Great guys. Tell them that Trucks and Water sent you. So right now we're gonna head back home and we're gonna finally wash this daggum thing because it's nasty, guys. I got the pressure washer ready. I've got my dual bucket method, foam cannons ready. Truck's about to be washed, but I think Babe is calling. Yep, it's Babe. Alright guys, the truck is fully clean, it's done. Got all the grime and grit off. I didn't have time to wax or anything. I'm going and eat and whatnot and settle down for the night. But hopefully tomorrow we'll get that done and clean up the interior, so stay tuned for that. It's currently Thursday, so like I said, I finished washing the truck last night. I had a bunch of phone calls, people calling me about some stuff. But anyways, so today I'm going to clean up the interior because the interior actually hasn't been cleaned up since Daytona, and it needs one really bad. It's been so busy at work lately and whatnot. So I got the pressure washer set up for my mats, especially my driver mat needs to be scrubbed. I've got this stuff right here, power out carpet mat. Stuff is freaking awesome. And then I got this. It's called Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner Protection, Dash, Glass, Navigation, and more. A lot of you, when I was doing other videos and I showed you the Armorello wipes, you all were like freaking out in the comments saying, don't do that, it's not good for the truck, you know, blah, 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 blah. So I had a bunch of you detail guys that do it for a living commenting that, hey man, you really don't need to be using that. So I'm going to see how this Chemical Guy stuff works out. Because this is the only one of 3 products my local Walmart only sells. And it's only interior stuff. They don't sell any of like the honeydew snow foam shampoo that I use for the truck or anything like that that I ordered down on Amazon. But I'm going to try this out and I'll let you know what I think about it in the video. But let's get started getting this truck cleaned up because it desperately needs one. Also, I've got to use the rags for these. I got microfibers up there. And I gotta get my shop vac out, because big pro tip, use a shop vac when cleaning. Just be careful about the nozzle about scratching stuff, but it makes it 10 times better than a normal vacuum, so the suction power is a lot more and you get really into the carpet and get those little nasty little stuff out of the carpet. So a little hack, if y'all didn't know, I'm letting the hose drain out right now. I run WeatherTech floor mats in my truck. They're awesome, freaking love them. So if you want some floor mats, get some WeatherTechs. They are pricey, but they're well worth it. But how I clean them, because they are a rubber silicone kind of thing, is I literally just take my auto shampoo, spray a little bit, like just drizzle a little bit on it, you know, just drizzle some on it, make sure there's already water on it, and then scrub it down with like a brush or whatever, and then take the pressure washer and pressure wash them off, and it gets them really stupid clean. So there's a little like interior hack for you all. I just got done cleaning the my interior, my plastics with this Chemical Guys Total Interior Clean Protector. You can also get this at Walmart. It's where I got it from. And holy crap, this stuff works freaking magic on stuff. It took off stuff that the Armor All wouldn't even remotely touch, and that stuff took it off. So I'll be definitely using that. All you gotta do is have a microfiber towel, guys, and you know, wipe it down and stuff. But I mean, doesn't leave an oily residue, nothing like that. It's nice and clean. Yeah, I'm definitely using that stuff more. It just makes it a world of difference. Holy cow. So right now we got a tow. For some reason, Colin's truck died. This is not his new truck, by the way, so we'll be showing that off in a little bit, but we gotta tow it. We got the truck. We got a tow strapped on. I'm gonna start pulling it. Okay. Okay. That's right, the girl's doing some work. We're pulling it. We're pulling it. Oh God. Tow mirrors coming into work now, guys. Haha, see, I can use my tow mirrors now. For actually what they're meant for, towing. We're gonna pull them up over here to the waterworks and see where we go from there. And then we have to tow them. We're gonna tow them up to the actually his house maybe. We're not sure yet, but we're pulling right now. We're gonna pull in right here and see if we can get the thing to start. Okay, we're gonna turn it right here. What was that? God, freaking made a wonderful sound. Was that your brakes dragging?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yanked me hard coming in.
I was trying to make sure I didn't spin.
That's gonna be under a lot of load, so you're gonna have to back up.
Yeah. You want to see if it'll start first before we back it up?
We're not going anywhere, so just back it up.
Okay. All right, guys. We got the truck to start back up. It wants to stall, and it is a carbureted vehicle. It's not like trying to fill engine. You can tell by the year of it. I think, me personally, I think the idle jet's clogged or something. It sounds like it keeps just wanting to die. It's not getting enough fuel to it and is stalling itself. But we got to start, and you have to keep it revved up. So right now I'm heading back up to his house real quick. He just took off, and I had to get my stuff back in my toolbox. So interesting 30 minutes, I can say the least. About 30 minutes. All right, guys, we just got done detailing my girlfriend's truck, Megan's 2014 Ram 1500, and Colin's new truck. So you'll be seeing that very shortly. We're convoying over to the farm to reveal it. So we just washed and waxed both, and they look freaking gorgeous. Damn, babe. Her truck looks so good. So right now we're heading that way, and then we'll reveal Colin's new truck. You all know what this leads to, and come to find out, they're actually going to keep the farm for a lot longer than they thought they would. So there's going to be plenty more videos coming from Mexico, guys. Ah, Mexico. This place just holds a lot of special memories. So many good ones. While we wait for Colin to get done taking his pictures, me and Babe got our trucks sitting all purty. Actually, I looks like crap, so I didn't really get to wash it today. All right, guys, I've been holding out on you for this video for very long. Our very own Colin that you've known from the vlogs, that's been with me since Daytona day one, everything like that, has now entered the truck life after driving for Nissan Sentra for how long?
Since 2014.
Okay, so he finally entered the truck life, and this is his truck.
2016 Ram 1500 Laramie package.
Four-wheel drive. We got it from CarMax of West Knoxville. Huge shout out to, what's our guide's name? John. Huge shout out to John at CarMax. This thing has how many miles on it?
39,000.
39,000. It is the Laramie package, 5.7 liter Hemi, just like Megan's truck that y'all know and love. We got leather seats, center console, whole 9 yards, heated cooled seats. I mean, it's nice. We just got done detailing today actually, because CarMax can't detail worth a crap. Excuse me. But it looked so good. I'm so happy for him. Tonneau cover. Already, so we gotta do some stuff to the bed though. But it is a fantastic truck. So how do you like it so far, Colin?
It is amazing. It drives so smooth.
We did. We rode in it when he bought it, and when we just went to dinner, we rode in it, and it drives like a freaking Cadillac. I love it so much. Megan's trying to get her pictures in. So that's what we're doing right now. Is we're going to do some pictures with the trucks and whatnot, and we'll go from there. Megan just got done with her little photo shoot at the barn, so then Colin's going to do his in his truck. Her truck sounds so good. Hey girl. Hey. What year is your win?
2014.
2014, yeah, what win? Got the horses in the back. So cool, because I sing every song ever. Alright guys, now we're a little bit better lighting. Yeah, it is the two-tone dark gray versus light gray, with the two-tone interior light tan versus dark like brown on the floor mats stuff. Very, very sharp truck, especially after we got it cleaned up and waxed up. It's so much better. And there's my Boo Bear. And there's my babe over there taking pictures of her truck. Look at her over there just posing away. Mod's coming to Sam soon. Mod's coming to Sam very soon. Today is Sunday, so right now I am refilling my Eco Smart RU waterless wash and wax I use on the truck, and my V07 optical slate high gloss spray sealant. What I do though with the Chemical Guy stuff, with all my Chemical Guy stuff, is I'll buy like the spray bottle or the easy squeeze bottle, and then I'll buy the big 1 gallon jugs of it. So I just refill my spray bottle. It's a lot cheaper that way instead of just buying, you know, spray bottles each time. But nothing much happened today. Me, Colin, my girlfriend Megan, Hunter, and Ivy, we all went to the lake. Didn't film anything. I was having just a chill day, just trying to relax before the week starts up. We had a great time. I'm gonna be sore though, because I got thrown off the tube and like skipped across the water and stuff like that, but it's always a good time. But that's what kind of went on today though. But I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Huge shout out to Colin. I'm so happy for you, man, for getting that truck. It's awesome. I hope you all you know, we don't know what, not sure really what kind of build he's wanting to do with that truck yet. We're still trying to figure some stuff out, but it should be a good one. So again, huge congratulations to you, Colin. I'm so happy for you, man. It's been a long time coming. I'm very, very happy for you. But I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Like the video if you like the video. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, trying new and better things. Please, guys, turn on the post notifications and like the videos. It helps us grow. It helps y'all alert you on when my videos go live. I don't have a set schedule anymore. It's whenever I can produce content, I'll produce it. But other than that, guys, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, you know, comment them down below. Message me on Instagram. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Remember, guys, that if I get to 10,000 on both Instagram and YouTube, I'm doing a giveaway on both platforms, and my girlfriend's gonna wax my legs. What can I say? But anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.